Guys, imagine a situation. Imagine you have a dream, opening the best restaurant in the city. You have this idea, you have the passion. You find a building, sign a 5-year lease, buy 200 designer chairs, heavy duty ovens, microwaves, gas stoves, and buy bulk spices, and you have invested lakhs of rupees. You haven't served a single plate of food yet, no profit yet, and you have invested so much amount in your restaurant. And even your father is looking at you now and asking, hey, have you made the best decision of your life? But what if there was a way to start your restaurant with minimal investment? Today, we are going to understand the concept of cloud using this exact restaurant dream. And if you are a fresher in IT, or a student in college or school, or maybe a QA who is still not very clear what cloud actually doing, then this video is for you, my friend. Let's come back to our restaurant. You have invested lakhs of rupees. Everything is ready. You are excited. Now imagine one of these three situations happens to you. Situation number one, no customer come. You are sitting there, chef is ready, food is ready, but the chairs are empty. That means your idea of the restaurant is a flop show. There's no customer. That means all the investment that you have done is actually wasted. Situation number two, the customers are coming, but very less. I mean, you were prepared for 200 customers, but only 20 or 30 customers are coming daily. So your ingredients are getting wasted, your resources are underutilized, and your return on the investment is crying in the corner. Last situation, assume that someday 500 customers show up. Sounds like a good problem? Not really. You only have 200 chairs. Your kitchen cannot handle that load. So, although the customers were coming, but you cannot accommodate them. So now the customers are leaving angrily, and you have lost a big opportunity to make a great business. In this situation, assume that one of your friend, let's name that friend as a cloud, calls you. Hey bro, I heard that you have opened a restaurant and you have that much investment. Why are you suffering like this? I own a massive food plaza. I have space. I have thousands of chairs. I have big kitchens, unlimited spices, and all the material that you need to make your dish. I have. You don't buy anything, just rent all those things from me. So, if on a single day 10 customers come to you, just take 10 chairs and take the ingredients and the food accordingly. If 100 customers are coming, take 100 chairs and the food and the ingredients accordingly. But suddenly, if 1,000 customers come, don't worry, I'll give you a full hall. And the best part, you only have to pay when the customers are consuming the ingredients, foods, and the chairs are getting occupied. And at this point, you will be like, where were you all my life, my dear friend? Now, who is this cloud? This cloud is basically a cloud provider. Now, same situation, just apply the same logic to a software company. So earlier, when the concept of cloud was not there, if someone had a great idea, let's say someone want to build an application like Flipkart, right? So they have the idea, they know how to build that application, but they have to make an upfront investment, heavy investment on buying the servers, purchase the storage, set up the database, manage all these networks, and then do the maintenance as well, and take care of the security of all these things. So that means you also have to think about setting up a mini IT department yourself and do lakhs of investment. You're not even sure whether your idea of something like Flipkart will be a hit or flop, whether you will get your users or not, whether you will earn some profit or not. But with cloud, You don't buy all these things. You can simply rent them. You can rent the servers, you can rent the storage, you can rent the databases. And the best part, you only pay for what you use. There are many cloud providers in the market, but these three are the most popular one. AWS from Amazon, Azure from Microsoft, and Google Cloud from Google. Last but not the least, also understand about the difference between capex and opex. Capex is the initial investment, the heavy investment that you have to do. Capex is a short for capital expenditure, while opex is basically short for operational expenditure. It's the amount that you just pay for the usage. For capex, you have to predict and plan. Obviously, if you are opening a restaurant, you have to predict that, okay, how many customers will come to my restaurant? Let's say 200. But you cannot be sure about it. It could be less, it could be more. So it's very risky. But in OPEX, which cloud provides you this facility, you only have to pay for what you are renting, for what you are using. So CapEx is basically upfront investment. OPEX, which is the operational expenditure, is what you are using, that expenditure, which is obviously less and less risky as compared to the CapEx. And I would just like to give you this high level idea that why everyone is moving to cloud these days. From a small startups to the big enterprises, everyone is moving to cloud. Why? So there are so many reasons for it, but these four are the prominent ones. Number one, we have already discussed about pay as you go, that whatever you are using, you just have to pay for that. Second is scalability. Scalability means if 10 users are coming to your application or 10 customers are coming to your restaurant, then you don't have to worry about the hardware. Only that much resources will be consumed. But suddenly, if there is a blast of 10,000 customers or 10,000 users on a restaurant or your app, then you don't have to worry about managing all those things. The cloud will take care of it. The cloud will make sure that it will add those servers, the databases accordingly without you worrying about managing that number of customers on your application. Reliability. The third one is reliability. Reliability means that cloud will make sure that even if one of your database or server crashes someday, then a backup is always ready to make sure that your application is always available to the users. If you do this on your own, then you have to actually buy same servers, same number of databases for your own company. But cloud do this on its own. Security. If a person needs to make sure that he is securing its own resources on his company, then he has to invest millions in making sure about the security. But cloud take care of this security as well. That means cloud take care of all the headaches and tensions that you have about the infrastructure side. You just focus on your application and rest, just delegate it to the cloud. That is the concept of cloud, my friend. Thank you.